If you're looking for some books to help you improve your branding skills, you might want to check out this list of 15 best books for branding. These books will teach you how to create a memorable and distinctive brand identity, communicate your value proposition, and attract and retain loyal customers. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll find something useful and inspiring in these books. Here are the 15 best books for branding, with a brief explanation of what each book covers. 1. Building a Story Brand by Donald Miller. This book shows you how to use the power of storytelling to craft a clear and compelling brand message that resonates with your audience. You'll learn how to apply the 7 elements of a great story to your brand, and how to make your customers the hero of your story. 2. Contagious by Jonah Berger. This book reveals the secrets of why some products, ideas, and behaviors catch on and spread like wildfire, and how you can apply them to your own brand. You'll learn the 6 principles of contagiousness, such as social currency, triggers, emotion, public, practical value, and stories, and how to use them to create word-of-mouth marketing for your brand. 3. Positioning by Al Ries and Jack Trout. This classic book teaches you how to create a unique and lasting place in the mind of your customers, and how to differentiate yourself from your competitors. You'll learn how to identify your target market, analyze your competition, choose your positioning strategy, and communicate your positioning statement. 4. The 22 Immutable Laws of Branding by Al Ries and Laura Ries. This book lays out the essential rules of branding that you need to follow to build a strong and successful brand. You'll learn how to choose a proper name, logo, color, category, shape, slogan, and more for your brand, and how to avoid the common mistakes that can ruin your brand. 5. Purple Cow by Seth Godin. This book challenges you to be remarkable and stand out from the crowd, and shows you how to create a brand that is worth talking about. You'll learn how to find your purple cow, or your remarkable difference that makes people notice you, and how to market it effectively. 6. The Brand Gap by Marty Neumeier. This is an essential read for anyone interested in branding. It brilliantly connects business strategy with design, showing how to craft a brand that's not only unique but also emotionally compelling. Neumeier introduces 5 key disciplines for building a brand: differentiation, collaboration, innovation, validation, and cultivation. These principles provide a clear path for creating a brand that resonates with the audience. What sets this book apart is its practical approach and valuable insights, making it accessible to both seasoned marketers and newcomers to branding. It's a powerful resource for mastering the art of effective branding in today's competitive market. 7. Designing Brand Identity by Alina Wheeler. This book is a seminal work in the field of branding that serves as a comprehensive and invaluable guide for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Authored by Alina Wheeler, this book delves deep into the intricate process of conceiving, executing, and overseeing a brand identity. It offers a treasure trove of case studies and exemplifies best practices drawn from some of the most influential and successful brands across industries. Readers are taken on a journey that spans from the foundational steps of defining a brand strategy to crafting a robust brand identity system. The book further elucidates on how to effectively communicate and embody this identity through various touchpoints, ensuring a consistent and resonant brand message. Not stopping there, it also provides invaluable insights on the critical phase of launching a brand identity program, a pivotal moment that can make or break a brand's reception in the market. What sets Designing Brand Identity apart is its pragmatic approach, offering not just theoretical concepts but actionable steps and strategies. In addition, the book emphasizes the significance of metrics and evaluation, equipping readers with the tools to measure the impact and effectiveness of their brand identity initiatives. 8. Logo Design Love by David Airy. This is a seminal work in the realm of branding literature, hailed by experts and novices alike as an indispensable resource for mastering the art of creating compelling logos. Authored by David Airy, a renowned graphic designer, this book stands as a beacon for those aspiring to craft logos that resonate with audiences on a profound level. Airy draws from the wealth of experience of some of the most distinguished logo designers across the globe, providing readers with invaluable tips and insights. Beyond the aesthetics, the book delves into the crucial process of understanding and addressing a client's specific needs, a foundational step often overlooked in logo design. From initial conceptualization to the final execution, Airy offers guidance on every facet of the process. This includes the vital stages of sketching ideas, selecting the optimal typeface and color palette, and effectively presenting the designs. Furthermore, the book illuminates how to navigate the intricate terrain of receiving and incorporating feedback, a skill crucial for refining and perfecting a logo. Aries' expertise also extends to the logistics of delivering final logo files, ensuring a seamless handoff to clients or collaborators. 9. Brand Thinking and Other Noble Pursuits by Debbie Millman. This book is a collection of interviews with some of the most influential thinkers and practitioners in the field of branding, who share their insights and perspectives on what branding is and why it matters. You'll hear from experts such as Seth Godin, Malcolm Gladwell, Dan Pink, Wally Olins, David Ocker, Tom Peters, Brian Collins, Paula Scher, Chip Kidd, Stanley Hainsworth, and many more. 10. Brand New by Wally Olins. This book is a seminal work in the realm of branding literature. With keen insight and a deep understanding of the evolving digital landscape, Olins delves into the intricacies of crafting a brand that not only resonates but also stands out in an increasingly competitive market. The book serves as a comprehensive guide, offering invaluable perspectives on how to navigate the complexities brought about by the surge of social media, the ever-expanding reach of globalization, and the growing importance of sustainability in brand identity. Olins expertly underscores the significance of authenticity in today's discerning consumer base, emphasizing the need for brands to be not just products or services, but compelling stories that forge genuine connections. Moreover, he delves into the powerful trio of storytelling, design, and culture, illuminating how these elements can be harnessed to create an immersive brand experience. With practical examples and case studies, Olins provides a roadmap for businesses looking to not only survive but thrive in this dynamic branding landscape. 11. The Brand Flip by Marty Neumeier. This book shows you how to transform your brand from a seller of products to a provider of experiences, and how to build a loyal community of customers who love your brand. You'll learn how to flip the traditional model of branding, where customers belong to companies, to the new model, where companies belong to customers, and how to create a customer journey that delights and empowers your customers. 12. How Brands Grow by Byron Sharp. This book challenges some of the conventional wisdom and myths about branding, and presents a scientific approach to growing your brand based on empirical evidence. You'll learn how to apply the laws of marketing science, such as the law of double jeopardy, the law of diminishing returns, and the law of buyer moderation, to your brand, and how to optimize your marketing mix, such as reach, frequency, memory, and loyalty, to increase your brand's sales and market share. 13. Brand Identity Breakthrough by Gregory Deal. This is a highly acclaimed book that stands out as an invaluable resource in the realm of branding. It delves deep into the intricacies of brand development, guiding readers on a transformative journey to unearth their distinct value proposition. Deal's expertise shines through as he not only emphasizes the importance of crafting a compelling brand story but also provides practical steps to execute this effectively. The book goes beyond mere theoretical concepts, offering actionable insights on how to communicate your brand message with precision and impact. Deal's approach is comprehensive, encouraging readers to not only understand their target audience but also to identify and align with their core values. What sets this book apart is its focus on discovering and harnessing one's competitive advantage, a vital aspect often overlooked in branding literature. Moreover, Deal delves into the realm of brand personality, elucidating how it serves as a cornerstone in creating an authentic and resonant brand identity. Through a blend of strategic exercises and real-world examples, readers are equipped with the tools and knowledge needed to develop a brand identity that authentically reflects their essence and value proposition. 14. Zag by Marty Neumeier. This book is a cornerstone in the realm of branding literature. Neumeier's insightful guide delves deep into the art of discovering your zag, that unique and unparalleled idea that distinguishes you from the competition. The book provides a comprehensive roadmap on crafting a brand that is not only sharply focused but also remarkably distinctive and profoundly relevant. Neumeier introduces readers to the transformative process of zagging, which comprises an intricate series of 17 meticulously curated steps. These steps encompass pivotal elements like formulating your onlyness statement, selecting an evocative name for your zag, meticulously designing a logo that encapsulates your essence, crafting a tagline that resonates with your audience, and orchestrating the strategic launch of your zag. Neumeier's masterful guidance equips both seasoned professionals and budding entrepreneurs with the indispensable tools to forge a brand that not only survives but thrives in the most fiercely competitive markets. With Zag, you're not just learning about branding. you're immersing yourself in an expertly curated journey towards creating an indelible mark in your industry. 15. The Power of Cult Branding by Matthew Ragas and Bolivar Bueno. This book reveals the secrets of how some brands create cult-like followings of passionate and loyal fans, and how you can do the same. You'll learn how to apply the 7 golden rules of cult branding, such as be original, be courageous, be visionary, be customer-centric, be honest, be inclusive, and be generous, to create a brand that inspires devotion and loyalty. These are some of the best books for branding that you can read to improve your skills and knowledge. If you want to learn more about branding, you can also check out our YouTube channel Capital Investments, where we share tips, tricks, and insights on how to create a powerful brand for your business.